How to open a PayPal account in Australia. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process to get started in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Visit www.paypal.com/au. And once you are on the homepage, click on Sign Up at the top right corner. Step 2. You will be asked to choose between a personal or business account. Select personal unless you plan to run a business or sell products online. Step 3. Tap Get Started and type in your email address. Create a strong password and fill in your legal name and mobile number. And make sure that your email is accessible because PayPal will use it for verification. Step 4. Input your residential address, suburb, state, and postcode, along with your date and birth. Step 5. You can now connect a bank account or credit or debit card to start sending and receiving payments. Linking both is recommended for better flexibility. Step 6. Verify your account. PayPal will send a confirmation email and click the verification link. And then expect a small test charge to verify your ownership. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.